I am talking about back to homeschool tradition. Hi everyone, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to take some time to join me today. I'm so honored that you are spending time with me as I share with you a little bit about our back to homeschool tradition. I am a work-at-home homeschool mom of 2 girls, and we're entering our 3rd year of homeschool. And I've kind of started some traditions. I know a lot of family have traditions. Sometimes it is a special breakfast or something they do. And this year we started a new tradition, which I did not get on video or anything for you, but I will share with you what we did for our new tradition, which I think we're going to continue to do as long as we continue to homeschool, because it was a lot of fun to do. Today I'm sitting here at my daughter's desk and I'm putting together their welcome back to school surprise for them. Usually I have something for them waiting when they wake up in the morning and we come into homeschool. That's a way to kind of welcome them back. It's kind of like a gift bag of sorts, but it's not in a bag. It's just kind of laid out on the desk for them to kind of take in and absorb, and just it's something that kind of gives them joy and makes them happy, and it's just a gift to them from me, just to kind of make a place for this upcoming school year, to set the tone, to set the atmosphere as we jump back into a more focused learning season. And so I'm sitting here today getting some things together. The thing that we did do this year was a Friday night, the last Friday of the summer before the week we start back homeschool. We did a Friday night kind of pizza, movie, popcorn, snack night, and we all kind of got cozy and got our blankets and we watched a movie together. So it was kind of like our end of the year back to school Friday night bash per se. So that was a lot of fun. And even though we do a lot of Friday night movies, this one just was kind of a little extra special. A lot of times when they do Friday night movies, I'll let them watch things by themselves, or I'm kind of in and out. But I actually took time to sit down and we watched it together. The whole movie all the way through, which was really nice. And like I said, we do that as a family often, and sometimes it's just them watching the movie themselves, but we just kind of made it a little extra special this year, and I think it's something that we will continue to do and try to keep it something special to add on to it, to keep it as a special Friday night movie night. Into the summer kind of back to school movie night, the last Friday before we start homeschooling next week. We probably won't ever start homeschool on a Monday. I kind of like to just start in the middle of the week or toward the end of the week to just kind of get a few days in and then take a break for the weekend and then kind of transition slowly into the school year. But I thought I'd bring you along with me as I kind of get their sets together this year. As I mentioned, I'm sitting at their desk, and a lot of things I do, I don't want to spend a ton of money. I'll print sheets off and everything like that. I didn't do that this year, but one thing I did do this year, which is something I started last year, was when I went to my first homeschool conference. They have so many knickknacks and things that you can grab, and that's what I did. I grabbed some for my kids to kind of have for them, and so a lot of these things are just things that they'll probably use for fun. Some of them are very practical resources. Well, most of it's practical resources in my opinion, but I think they'll have fun with them. So last year, like for example, one of the things I grabbed them was like this Abeka backpack, because we use a lot of Abeka curriculum, and they had these. And so they each got one of these, and these have come in really handy. So even if it's not Abeka, if you have anything like this, or if you see a bag like this, I recommend you grab it for your kids, because when you're going to the park or something, you can just kind of throw snacks in there, throw a water bottle in there. If you're going for a walk around the block, if they're scooting, on their scooters or whatever, and they want to take something with them, it's just there's a quick and easy type of sports bag you can just throw things in. So I'm kind of setting up their things here, and I'm going to show you all that I've got here. One of the things I got were these U.S. Constitution. These are erasable pens. So I don't know if you guys have seen these. I just discovered them in like the last year or so. I can't even take them out of the package here, but let me see if I can pull them out and show you. You probably already know what they are, but Here's like a green one. So it's a pen. I'm not even sure how to work the pen. Oh, you mash. Okay, so it's a pen, and this is like the eraser. So you write with it in your eraser. And I've used these. I've tried one before, and they're really neat, and it really does erase. So those are kind of neat. So they're each going to get a set of these, and I'm gonna, as I mentioned, show you all the little things that I got. I just had a few more things that I was going to set out here for them to have, and I'm going to show you real quick everything that I have set up for them. So, and I really only spent money on a few of these things. So let me get rid of the bag, and I'm going to kind of just point the camera down here so you can kind of see what we have here. So, okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to start with this right here. This is just a blow up globe, and this was from the homeschool convention from the different vendors. So the only thing in this whole set that I bought for them was this folder from Target, and the pom-pom pen, which I got from Mardell, and then the pencil holder grip, also which I got from Mardell. Everything else is from the convention that I had went to, and was free for me. So I got them both a blow up globe. I was going to blow it up, but I think they're going to have fun blowing it up themselves. So I decided not to blow it up, but you can kind of see the size of it. It's not very big. It's like the size of a small ball. So I think that's going to be fun for them to do on the first day of school. And this is just like a triangular highlighter with some different colors on it, pink, green, and yellow. Some encouraging stickers from Focus on the Family. So, and you can kind of see I got this from IEW. I got this from Focus on the Family. This right here, the Erasable Pens, it was from the Good and the Beautiful booth. I actually got this book for free as well from the Good and the Beautiful library also. I have readers and they love to read, so I thought I'd get them a fun book that wasn't a book that we're using for the school year, just something fun that they could read themselves. This is something else I actually picked up at Mardell. I had bought myself a set of 6 of these, and I decided to share and give them one as well. But this is actually a bookmark. Let me show you how it works. It's like a magnet, and then you just kind of, when you put it in your book, it just kind of goes like that and holds the place. But isn't that cute? So they each got a bookmark, and they also had this cute little set of color pencils, and in the top there's actually a pencil sharpener. So how cute is that? And that was, like I said, free as well. So if you attend these homeschool conferences, you know, visit the booths, grab some things, tuck it aside, and you can easily make a little back to school, welcome back to school kit. Here is my other daughter's, as you can see here with hers. She also has the globe. For her book, it's Poetry and Parties for Littles. And this was a free book, as I mentioned. I got a free book for them. So everything was free except for, as I mentioned, those 4 things that I purchased. And this is her set. And so I just kind of did some colors that she likes for her set. And it's kind of the same thing. But this is kind of their welcome back to school desk surprise, as you could see. So that is basically their welcome back to school desk surprise that they'll have at their desk when they wake up in the morning. And it's just been such a fun tradition for us to have, and it just kind of really kicks us off on a really good foot. And I'll have some music playing as well when they come into the classroom, and it just makes for a joyous time as we get back into learning. So I would love to hear if you have any back to school traditions for your classroom. If you are a teacher, if you have back to school traditions that you do as your students come back, or if you're a homeschool parent and you have back to school traditions, I would love to hear what they are. So please share them in the comments. I'm sure everyone would love to get some ideas from you. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're not a member, I invite you to join a community. You can do so by subscribing below, and if you click that bell button, it will notify you when I release my next video. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Take care until then. God bless. Bye.